The world changed in 1971, and with it, the very nature of the psychology of money, why smart people overspend. If you're still playing by the old rules, you've already lost. To understand the psychology of money, why smart people overspend, we must first zoom out. We are currently navigating a macro environment defined by unprecedented debt cycles and the rapid digitization of value. Traditional wisdom suggests diversification. We suggest structural leverage. The psychology of money, why smart people overspend phenomenon isn't happening in a vacuum, it's a direct result of the shifting velocity of global capital. At CapitalMind, we don't look at the noise. We look at the gears. Our analysis of the psychology of money, why smart people overspend reveals three non-negotiable pillars of intelligence. Pillar 1, Systemic asymmetry. You aren't looking for linear returns, you're looking for asymmetric upside where the risk is capped by the system itself. Pillar 2, Capital velocity. Wealth isn't stagnant. It's movement. The psychology of money, why smart people overspend must be viewed as a flow, not a pool. Pillar 3, the automation delta. This is why automation is no longer optional. Systems like M1 Finance allow you to codify this logic into a self-executing engine. By aligning these three gears, the psychology of money, why smart people overspend transitions from a mystery to a predictable outcome. Here is your actionable blueprint for mastering the psychology of money, why smart people overspend. Step 1, Audit. Identify every point of friction in your current financial stack. Eliminate the legacy thinking that keeps you reactive. Step 2, Engineer. Build your portfolio not as a collection of assets, but as a machine. Step 3, Scalability. Once the machine works at a small scale, the math of compound interest does the rest. If you start today, you aren't just investing, you're building a fortress of silent wealth. Wealth is not an event. It is a process. The psychology of money, why smart people overspend is simply one variable in the equation of your independence. We have provided the links in the description for the tools we use to maintain our own systems. Webull for execution, M1 Finance for architecture, and Monarch Money for visibility. Subscribe to CapitalMind for more premium intelligence. The rules have changed. It's time you changed with them.